Moving to the second question, what were the major literary or personal influences that shaped your poetry, that shaped you as a poetess?
Actually, my father, he used to, he was interested in Malayalam poetry, so I used to hear a little of Malayalam poetry from him. And then I was very fond of film songs, old film songs. I mean, Lata Mangeshkar, and the old film songs are full of lyrics. And I used to listen to that Binaka Geet Mala and do my homework also at the same time. But I was a mathematics student for information. Anyway, I was more interested in literature. Library. I used to go spend a lot of time there. I was very much away from sports and all that. I was more of a bookworm. And basically, at that time, I used to write English only. Hindi was, okay, chalta hai, khatam karna hai. But I mean, I just had to finish that. It was a sort of punishment to finish that Hindi at that level. But then later on, in RBI, Reserve Bank of India, we had this Hindi Divas. September 14th, we have that. So part of that celebration is calling the poets from outside and having a Kavi Sammelan. And in Hyderabad, any Kavi Sammelan will have some Urdu poets, and any Mushaira will have some Hindi poets also. So that's how I got to uh, interact with the poets, because otherwise, RBI means, you're always into mathematics, I mean, finance and this thing, we don't have any connection outside. But here, this I could get a chance to mingle with the poets of Hyderabad. So that's how I started. I mean, then they invite. I know I just wrote a few, managed to write a few small poems in Hindi and recited it there. Then they said, you are interested in poetry. Why don't you come and join our groups also? So we have a lot of Hyderabad groups of Hindi, Urdu, mixed and all that. So I joined those groups, and then my interest in poetry increased. And then I heard other people how they write poetry and all that. And then once what happened, in the beginning, I just used to write without knowing much about the rules of poetry and all that. But then uh, someone actually told me that, Madam, you're writing nicely, but then you should learn more about the prosody of Urdu, the Beher and the, because otherwise only Radeep Kafi, you can't write that. That time I used to write, but later on, took requested one Kamal Prasad Kamal, a senior poet. Urdu, that there it is like that Guru Shishya Parampara. No, like you have must be knowing that every person has most have ustad, and then they show their poem, get it correct, all that. So here, when I was here, I uh, used to take advice from one Kamal Prasad Kamal, and then when I after basics I learned from him. Then when I went to Bombay, I got a very good ustad, R.K. Sharma Mehriji. He was, not only Hindi Chanda Shastra, Urdu prosody also. He taught me very simple language, and I picked it up also because I was a math student, and then I could relate to the numerical digital form of the poetry.
Okay.